Hlathi is trying his luck once again on Thumeka, and it looks like his plans are coming together. Look guys, I know that you will be interested in this topic, which is why I decided to create this video. So let's get to it. Oh, before going to the video, I would like to start by requesting you guys who like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Ladies and gentlemen, Brother Justice ended things with Thumeka, and this is after Hlathi left Thumeka confused after asking for a love back. And I think I need to divert a little bit. Kanti guys, when is the makeup team from Inimba removing this plaster from Hlathi's face? I mean, look at this guys. No man, there's even this scene. This thing is so funny, they need to remove it. But then, this video is not about that. So we need to get back to the video. Guys, Hlathi is asking for a love back from Thumeka, promising to marry her. Now, I noticed that this incident by Hlathi angered a lot of people. Inimba viewers are saying that Hlathi is manipulating Thumeka. I think he knows that all Thumeka ever wanted was to be a wife or having a ring on her finger, so he used that to get back to Thumeka. And what's worrying about all of this is the fact that Thumeka did not respond to Hlathi's proposal, and her not responding means that there's a 50% chance Thumeka might agree marrying Hlathi. There's now a Brother Justice factor, which might make Thumeka think twice. I don't know about you guys, but to me, it looks like Thumeka is really into Brother Justice now. Even though some people are saying that she's with Brother Justice because she wanted to forget about Hlathi. Now, this will be proven very soon because on the recent episode of the show, Hlathi kissed her and then she kissed Hlathi back. So, we don't know whether they're going to get back together and Thumeka will accept that her and Brother Justice are not working, Abele Hlathi, or she'll decline Hlathi, Abele back on Brother Justice. I don't know. Comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.